here from Aeryn-Ejjina Athletics, and welcome back to the colour series, Yellow Level 3. So you will need weights for this, so you could use dumbbells, kettlebells, cans, milk cartons, whatever you can think. I'm going to be using dumbbells. Let's start off with our warm-up. So we're going to be doing squats. This is what a squat looks like. So you go down and up. I'll show you from the side. Down and up. So we're doing 10 of these. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now our legs are warmed up. We are going to do the workout. We are doing 4 rounds. So, our first move is a squat sprinter. So you're going to do a squat, and then as soon as you come up, you're going to do a sprinter. Then you're going to do the other leg forward, and you'll switch. We have a 10-second countdown. Are you ready? Let's go in 3, 2, 1, and go. Down, up, down, up. Whew. This works our quads. We're halfway there already, guys. Whew. Let's keep going. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. Now you'll be needing your weights, whatever they are. So, we're doing a lunge jump. So you're going to lunge and jump with the weights by your side. Let's go. Woo! 10 seconds. Let's keep going, guys. We're halfway there. This is hard. 10 seconds left. Keep going. We got this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Still having the weights in our hand, we're going to do a Cossack squat. So legs wide, either the weights here or here. We're going to go down on one side, up, down on the other side, up. Let's do this. Keep going, guys. You got this. Woo! Can you feel it? You should feel it in the outer quad. Halfway there. 15 seconds left, guys. We got this. 10 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Putting the weights down, we're going to do a sprinter. So all you've got to do is jump, then with the other leg. Simple, but hard. Let's do this, guys. Remember to keep on the balls of your feet. Whew. Remember to move them arms up, hold it down. Halfway there, guys, we got this. Pose. 10 seconds left, guys. seconds left. Remember, squat, sprint. Go, go, go. Keep going, guys, we got this. This works our calves as well as our quads. Halfway there. Oh my god. Can you feel it? 10 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're doing lunge jumps with the weights, remember. Oh, my heart is pounding. Remember, jump and lunge. Whew. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Breathe. This works basically the whole lower body. Halfway there. We got this, guys. Don't stop. 15 seconds. Push, push, push. 10 seconds. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done, guys. Now Cossack squats. Leg wide. One leg, on the other leg. Wow. Go, go, go. Let's keep going, guys. 10 seconds have lapsed. Woo! Halfway there. We keep going, guys. We got this. 15 seconds left. Woo! Push, push, push. This works the outer quads. Rest. Now the sprinter. We are at the halfway point now. All downhill. Remember? Sprinter. Running pose in the air. Go. Let's run. 10 seconds left. Let's have lapsed. There. 20 seconds. Oh my god. These are hard. Let's keep going though. 10 seconds. You have got this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my. Well done. All downhill. Halfway. Remember, squat sprinter. Down, up. Brilliant job. Go. Down, up. Keep going, guys. We got this. Well done. Woo! Remember it to explode upwards. 15 seconds left. We got this. 10 seconds left. These are tricky. Rest. Wow. Weights in now. Remember, jumping lunges. These are so hard. Are you ready? Well, you better be. Woo! Keep going, guys. Don't stop. Feel the burn. Halfway there. Come on, legs. Woo! 10 seconds left. Let's go, go, go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Okay. Weights at your shoulders. Legs wider. Down on one side, down on the other. Well done. Let's do this. Down, up, down, up. Keep going, guys. We got this. Woo! Halfway there. Woo! 10 seconds left. Keep going. Don't ever give up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Remember, sprinting. After this, it's our last round. Well done. Let's go. Remember to keep your knees bent. 10 seconds have lapsed. This is so hard, guys. Halfway there. Let's go, go, go. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow. Last round. Make it your best. Remember, squat, sprinter. Oh my God. We're doing lots of sprinters in this. Let's go. Come on, legs, work. Keep going, you got this. Halfway there. Well done, guys, we got this. Woo! 10 seconds left. Push. 3, 2, 1. Rest. Well done. Now, weights, lunge jumps. Probably the hardest of the lot for me. How about you? Let's go, guys. Woo! Let's keep going. Never give up. Halfway there. Breathe. 15 seconds. Push, push, push. 10 seconds left. Oh, my knees don't want to bend. Stop. Now, weights at your shoulders. legs wider. Cossack's got one, then the other. Whew. Let's go. One side, then the other. Push it, guys. Woo! Let's go. Let's keep going round, guys. Halfway there. Oh my gosh. We got this. 15 seconds. 10 seconds left. Let's push it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Weights down, last move. Sprinter. Remember. Turn off. 5 seconds. Go. Let's go, guys. Keep going. We got this. Push it, push it. Halfway there. Woo! 15 seconds. Last 15. 10 seconds. Come on, let's keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You did so well. This one was so hard. Now, let's stretch. So, one leg forward, bend that leg. Try and keep your heel on the floor. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, breathe, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change over. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3. Feel the stretch in the calf. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. If you need to, you can grab onto the wall, chair, or anything to support you and grab that ankle, or come down to the floor and stretch back. I'm going to stand up. Holding on the wall if you need to. Hold down for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Other leg. Holding for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done, guys. Click the like button for a high five. Subscribe to my channel. See you next week. Bye.